Start. Good morning. There's Chookaneidee right here. I think the mountain goats are on the other side a lot of times in the summertime. You don't see them over here too often, more towards the spring. But we're looking up into Glacier Bay as it's starting to, fog is lifting and the day is turning brighter. We're here. And the bridge on the Niew Amsterdam. So again, Chookaneidee. Waters out here is the deepest than anywhere else in the bay. 1,400 feet deep like that. So I got done speaking some Tlingit here that they can hear out there on the bow. So I'm honoring the elders when they say, Uncle Ken would say, our language needs to be heard on our land when we're up here. And so I get to do that when I'm talking about Chookaneidee and Tlingit, honoring the elders and the old timers. So we'll be working our way, continue on. It's 10:30 in the morning. We'll get back and finish our day at 5:30 tonight. Something like that. Talk to you later. Ekwasatin Satsu.